So, dito na tayo sa Little Venice.
What's up, momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are continuing our tour here in Alsace region. And right now, we're here in Colmar, one of the most famous small towns in France. What I really like about small town like this is that we never had a problem parking within the city center. So, more time for picture taking. For detailed parking, please check the description box below.
We're here in Colmar, the Little Venice. Ang sarap ng ice cream.
Ang laki ng kabayo, pang-elepante din.
Oo, ganyan ang mga kabayo. Malakasan naman. Nag-tour sila. Para rin siyang Strasbourg here. Pero mas chill. Mas maliit yung mga street. Dito pa rin ang aking BFF model with her new hat. Si Sarah na body.
Masarap na mag-ice cream.
Oo naman, my God. Huwag na ako ingitin.
Walang diet sa'yo.
Wala. Sarap naman ako din. Ayan pa may mga patisserie. Pa-chocolate.
Puro kainan.
Kainan everywhere. Dito kayo sa Paris. Hindi pala to Paris. Sa France. Colmar. Little, ano daw to? Little Venice. Petite Venise. Petite Venise. Kasi dito, tinuturuan niya ako mag-French. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Abo, bonjour.
Wow, ano yung abo bonjourne? What's that?
Ano lang, thank you very much. And then, have a nice day. Bonjour.
Wow. Complete sentence.
See you soon. See
Complete,
you again.
Complete sentence. Sige, we'll check out the rest of the city. See you later.
Colmar is a town in the Grand Est region of northeastern France, near the border with Germany. Its old town has cobblestone streets lined with half-timbered medieval and early Renaissance buildings. It was apparently the inspiration for the village in the Disney film Beauty and the Beast. And it's not hard to see why. Walking through its streets is like seeing childhood fairy stories come to life in real life.
Ayan, sige, mag-modeling ka dyan.
Colmar is a small town which is where France meets Germany, and ownership of the region has been passed back and forth between the two countries over the years. And the result is a unique mix of their two cultures. Think of it as France with a twist. It is situated on the Alsatian wine route and considers itself to be the capital of Alsatian wine. The Gothic 13th century Église Saint-Martin Church stands on Central Place de la Cathédrale. This beautiful town was mostly spared from the destructions of the French Revolution and the wars between 1870 to 1945. The cityscape of Old Town Colmar is homogeneous and renowned among tourists. An area that is crossed by the canals of the River Lauch is now called Little Venice or La Petite Venise.
Sa Little Venice. Babae yung captain and the boat driver.
Colmar is definitely the perfect place to wander around and relax. The locals seem justifiably proud of their homes, and everything is neatly painted and maintained. Some buildings are decorated with hanging lamps, clocks, and hearts kitchenwares. In Colmar, it seems like your house is an artwork as well as a place to live.
Lalaking Nougat oh. Oh my God. Lahat yan Nougat. Sarap niyan.
Colmar was conquered by the French in 1673, but Germany claimed the whole Alsace region in 1871. It stayed German until after World War I, when it was given back to the French, then was temporarily occupied by the Germans during the Second World War. It was the last town in France to be liberated at the end of the war and has been French ever since. But its history means it's no surprise that you can see a German influence on Colmar's architecture.
for summer. Oo nga, my God, it's so cold.
Pindisyonan kita.
Itong pindisyonan mo to asawa ko para bumait.
Miri, basa. Basa. Yes. Yun, the Statue of the Liberty. It's right there.
At the end of our walking tour, we would really love to ride the small boat à la Venise. But unfortunately, every slot should be reserved one day ahead of time. So we decided to book online right away and come the next day at around 10 a.m. We're so excited and we're gonna love it for sure. But before that, we headed to a French restaurant near our accommodation and had this sumptuous French cuisine. And that's it for today. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!